How much broken grain do you produce in your harvest? Most farmers think that it is not that much, but are not really certain. Because it is hard to identify with just a quick glance at the grain in your hand or looking in the grain tank window. What you see there is only about 50% of the actual loss. Kernels are broken through metal shocks during the threshing process. The kernel breaks into many pieces. The big parts go to the grain tank. But 50% are smaller pieces which are blown onto the field by the cleaning system. Representative studies show that your actual loss is double what you see and measure in the grain tank. If you find 2% broken grain in the grain tank, you have also lost 2% behind the combine, unweighed and unpaid. Let's take a closer look at how much money you are actually leaving on the field. This is a sample calculation for a combine with a hybrid threshing system. Independent field tests show that hybrid combines can produce up to 3% broken kernels, while the same tests show that our S-Series combines produce less than 1% of broken kernels. On 500 hectares, we can achieve 8 tons per hectare of yield. Let's say you are paid €160 per ton. If you now calculate your additional losses of 2% broken kernels, that's the difference between a hybrid machine with 3% of broken kernels versus 1% of the S-Series. You will see that you lose up to €12,800 per 500 hectares every year. Over 5 years, this adds up to €64,000, a huge amount of money lost in the field. To find out how many broken kernels your combine produces, take a sample from your grain tank, check the quality, and make your own calculation. If you need assistance doing so, your grain storage company or your John Deere dealer will be happy to help. Our solution for better grain quality is the S-Series combine. In fact, we are so confident of the performance of our S-Series combine, we even guarantee the grain quality. Stop losing thousands of euros in broken grain.